Kaizer Chiefs has bid farewell to Eric Tawa Matogo. Matogo, who is 33, joined Kaizer Chiefs in July 2012 as a 22-year-old from Bloemfontein Celtic. He has 257 appearances with Kaizer Chiefs, 26 goals, 2 PSL League titles, 1 MTN 8 trophy, 1 Nedbank Cup trophy. Vachimbile Zwafuti.
Good afternoon. I'm not gonna take time to see people they're hungry. But But first of all, I would like to thank Chairman Dr. Kaizer for giving me this opportunity. Like 11 years, it's a lot. And I appreciate every moment when I was here. Even now, when I'm leaving, like, my blood is still making me go. And boss, I want to thank you, Kaizer Chiefs family, all of you guys, even the players. Thank you very much for that moment, like having fun together, everything, guys. And I'm wishing you all the best for the season, the next one. And yes, all the best. I love you.